Hi, this is Pankaj. Here I am gonna explain you the Google spreadsheet connector tool for the Salesforce. Like in this, we have few requirements. First, we need to give a configuration window to the user so that he can configure and retrieve the result from the sheets. Like in first, he can retrieve all the parent and child objects API name in the header portions, and then he can insert his own records into the spreadsheet, and then he can update those record into the Salesforce directly from the spreadsheet. So for this we have to do some user some configurations menu to the user so that user can configure like the how many records you want to chunk and the base size you want to insert and the seat range whatever the configuration we need to do. So for this I have created a configuration window. Like first go to Salesforce, chunk records. Okay, give me five minutes chunk. Select parent object name, select child object name. Okay, select record ID, select description, and again select record ID. Invoice quantity, because these are the mandatory field for the line items. So I'm selecting. Here the number of rows. Chunk by, like if you want to chunk by any values or not. It depends on, like I want to chunk by two. Like if I have 4 records, I want to send it in 2 batches. Like in first phase I want to send 2 records, and second was two. Like if we have 100 records and I want to chunk by them 10, then they will go in 10 batches. Like if I want to send 4 in a row, so I can give a one value. So number of row divided by the value you want. Now if I have 4 records and I have given two values, then two number of records will be processed in a single batch. Okay, let me show you. We need to give some mandatory fields like invoice, quantity is a mandatory field. Yeah, description you can remove. Okay. Now click on the push chunks. So here you will see that processing has been done of all the 4 records. Now go to the batches. Okay, here I will see the last 2 batches. Like we have 4 records. They are like in the time 847 and 848. So we have 4 records and I have set the batch size like 2. Then we are getting like 2 2. So based on these we can give our own value, like how many batches we want to send to the user. So with this I have covered all the requirements. Like we have given a configuration window and in data set. This is the what we have done. Like simple. If you will not define any values, then we will simply insert all the record in a single batch. Or in this we have chunking by size. Now the third, like one of the requirement, like in the month, it was the part of fifth requirement, chunk by changing. Like if you want to field name, then we can, based on the field values, we can chunk. So let me show you. Mm, Like we want to chunk by based on the description field value. If somebody has changed the values or whatever based on that we want to process the data. I am selecting only the mandatory fields. Okay. One more thing I want to show you, like whatever we have done, you will see in the list which we have inserted report. Like I have run it twice, so you will see the all the reports for the IM2. Now in this, I'm right now doing for the description, so I am inserting description. Once the process will complete, you will see description fields also here. Like in this format you can give any in any format, because I am sorting in the back end, like whatever before sending it to the batch I'm sorting this value, so you can whatever you want you can give the values, there's no issue. Instance, like we have two same and two different, so there will be three batch for this to process this. Like if you have suppose 300 records are the same and again 200 records are same and 100 records are same, so there will be total three batches. Like let me push chunks. Okay, create one, two, already gone. Wait.